Hi everyone, in front of me I have this OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, open up the Wi-Fi settings. I'll just exit them from the control panel. Here, choose the network that you want to share the Wi-Fi password of. In my case, I'll just choose this HardReset.Info 5G network. Here on top of the menu you've just went into, you see this Wi-Fi QR code section, which you need to tap on, and here you'll have the QR code, which once read from any other device that you would like to share the password with, it will connect to this Wi-Fi network automatically. So in my case I have this Nokia smartphone, and usually the QR codes can be scanned from the camera of the device. So I'll open up the camera, choose Google Lens, show the QR code to the Google Lens, so it will read it. Then I'll just tap on this QR code, and here you'll see join network option. Just wait for a little bit. And as you can see, the Nokia device has been successfully connected to the network that we had on our OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.